Hey everyone! Welcome back to Swastik Creations Lab, your creative space to learn Photoshop effects, design magic, and viral editing tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a viral YouTube thumbnail with a glowing effect that instantly stands out on the homepage. And trust me, once you learn this glow effect, you'll never make boring thumbnails again.
90% of you have been creating glow effect in the wrong way till now, but not anymore. I did not believe it when I tried it.
This is the easiest way to create a glow effect. Following a few steps, create amazing glow, but you should have basic Photoshop knowledge. To understand it, watch this video till the end. I will explain everything step by step. Let's start this video.
Now go to the Select menu, then choose Subject. As you can see in the image, the subject is selected. Now press Ctrl+J to create a new layer. To remove the subject from the background, I will use the lasso tool to select the area around it and then choose the Remove option. Within a few seconds, the subject is removed from the background. You see before and after by clicking the Hide and Unhide layer option. Now I select the background layer and after removal layer, then merge both layers by using Ctrl+E, transform the subject size using Ctrl+T, adjust its size and fit it to the middle of the project canvas. Now I want to add some darkness, so I use the Levels tool using Ctrl+L. Adjust the slider bar according to your preference. Then I want to create a dark background, so I go to the adjustment layer and choose a black solid color. Now I want to create a glow behind the subject, so you can choose any bright solid color. I choose a bright sky blue color. Next, click on the mask layer, then press Ctrl+I to invert this mask from white to black. Select the brush tool, brush opacity 40% and flow 100%. You should notice that if the mask is black, the brush color should be white and vice versa. Now apply brush paint behind the subject like this. Increase the brush size according to you, then decrease the size of the brush and then paint it again. So now using these steps, you can create a smooth glow effect behind the subject. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Double-click the solid color fill layer and change its color to bright orange. Now create a new layer between the two glow layers. Choose the rectangle marquee tool and make a half selection of the background. Using a brush, fill the selection with black. Then Alt-click the layer's clipping mask. Create a new blank layer. Change the foreground color to white. Reduce the brush size and lower brush opacity to 26%. Then slowly apply the brush behind the subject. Now you can see that the white glow looks amazing when hiding and unhiding the layer. Now select the subject layer, then add an adjustment layer and choose Levels. Click the clipping mask so it affects only the subject, then adjust the sliders to change the image lighting, make it darker to enhance the glow effect. Now you can see changes by hiding and unhiding layers. Click on the white mask, choose the brush tool, and paint over the image where you want to reduce the darker areas of the subject. Next, to add a glow above the subject, go to Adjustment Layer and create a new solid color layer. Choose a bright sky blue color. Then change its blending mode to linear dodge, or you can also use screen. Invert the white mask to a black mask using Ctrl+I, then choose the brush tool, reduce brush opacity to 40% and flow to 50%. Next, paint casually like this, and follow my steps as I demonstrate the technique. Always try with a soft brush. This requires more patience. If there is any extra paint, you can fix it by changing the foreground color from black to white, and vice versa. If this glow effect blew your mind, drop a like to show some love. That transformation deserves a thumbs up, right? If this tutorial helped you even 1%, hit like. It really motivates me to make more content for you. Now I go to the glow effect layer and copy this color code. Then create a new solid color, paste the copied code there. Then create a clipping mask with Alt plus click. Then press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask, change its blending mode to linear dodge, then reduce the brush size and apply to brush as before. Follow my steps. If you love learning cool Photoshop tricks like this, hit that subscribe button right now. More creative magic coming your way every week. Now last step, I want to enhance the glow more, so I will create a new layer to add a white glow behind the subject. Change the brush opacity to 54% and flow to 70%, apply behind the subject and change its blending mode to screen. Now hold Shift, click on the first layer, scroll down and click on the last layer to group all layers. Renote the lower layer as background and the above group layer as glow effect. Now select the subject and add a curves adjustment to make the subject darker. Then create clipping mask, add adjusted scrap according to your image quality. You can use this for your YouTube thumbnail by adding more elements to it. Thanks for watching this video.